In this video, we're going to set the text strings that are going to hold the values for the left and right thumbstick X and Y values and the left and right trigger values. Now, the thumbsticks, the values on the thumbsticks go from -1 to +1 in each direction, and the values on the triggers go from 0 to 1. So they're decimal numbers that are going to be floating around between 0 and 1 for the triggers and -1 and +1 for the thumbsticks. Now, that can be kind of messy. How many decimal places are there? How many will show up? We want to be a little cleaner than that. So we're going to do a rounding function on them. So this is going to be similar to what we did with the mouse, but the mouse values and the scroll wheel value as well were integer values, where that was pretty clean in and of itself. But these, because it's decimal numbers, need a little extra help in making them look nice to be on the screen. And this is something you might need in other places in your game, so it's a good thing to know how to do, and it's not very difficult at all. So here we are. We're down at the bottom of our set controller values, and so we've got 6 different things. We've got an X and a Y for each thumbstick. So left thumbstick X equals math.round, and that's how we're going to get our decimal numbers to behave. So left thumbstick underscore val.x comma 3. That means 3 decimal places, and then dot toString, open close parens, semicolon. That's just like we used with the mouse and the scroll wheel. So, and then the same thing basically for the left thumbstick Y. So this is going to look almost identical here if I type it right. So left thumbstick underscore val dot y comma and 3 again for 3 decimal places, close paren, dot toString, open close paren, semicolon. So that's it for the left thumbstick. Now we need to get down to the right thumbstick. And again, these are going to be almost identical, except it's right thumbstick. And comma, and our number of decimal places stays at 3, dot toString, open close paren, semicolon, and one more of these to do, and make it a Y. There we go. And math.round, open paren, right thumbstick underscore val.y, comma 3, close paren, dot toString, open close paren, semicolon. Okay, that's it for the thumbsticks. Now, ever so slightly different for the trigger. Triggers go from 0 to 1, but the system doesn't care. It's just dealing with some kind of number that happens to be a decimal number that it's going to round, whatever it is. So text left trigger equals math.round, open paren, left trigger underscore val, and we don't need X's or Y's, but we do need our 3 for the digits to round it to, dot toString, there's that one, last one to go here, text right trigger equals math round, open paren, right trigger underscore val, comma 3, close paren, dot toString, open close paren, semicolon. We can get rid of this extra space here, and it looks good. We'll save it, and that's all we need.